Birch class. Fred's come back to teach you a new sound. Are you ready to see it? Nk, nk. It's a hard one. They're special friends, and if we see them together, this is the sound we say. Ready? Nk, nk, nk. Can you say nk, nk? Good job. I'm going to say some words that have this sound nk in them, and we're going to see if we can say them together. We're going to practice sounding out and blend them using our Fred talk. Are you ready? S, it, nk. S, it, nk. S, it, nk. Sink. Sink. Did you get it right? Ready for the next one? All it, nk. All it, nk. All it, nk. Link. Link. Did you get it right again? Good job. This one, are you ready? It, nk. It, nk. It, nk. Think. Think. I think I stink is the special rhyme that goes with this sound. I think I stink. That's funny, isn't it? I'm going to have a go at writing some of the sounds. We're going to practice reading them together. Are you ready? Remember, if we see the sounds together, we say the special sound nk. W, it, nk. W, it, nk. W, it, nk. Wink. Wink. Did you get it right? Let's try another one. St, it, nk. St, it, nk. Stink. Ooh, stink. S, it, nk. S, it, nk. S, it, nk. Sink. Sink. Did you get that one right too? Good job. We've learnt all about the sound nk. We're going to learn lots about this sound. We're going to hear it lots, aren't we? Good job, Birch class. We'll see you soon. Bye.